I said we just take one day at a time, so we just focus on coming out today and have a really good Monday, and Tuesday is our blue-collar day, and that's where we feel like we win the games is on Tuesday. So I feel like if we dominate the offensive line, in the trenches, the defensive line, and we're going to win.
After an open week, Jacksonville State gets ready to take the field again for the last 5 games of the regular season. On Saturday, the number 6 Gamecocks face Tennessee Tech. The Eagles are 2-2 in the conference, but their last win was a big one. Tech upset Eastern Kentucky, who was previously unbeaten and the number 12 team in the nation.
Very confident football team, a very hungry football team. I think they're a young team that has just gotten better and better as the years went, and so it's a dangerous team for us. And they're going to come in here with a lot of confidence and be ready to play. So we know we have got to play really well, and just make sure we take care of the football and don't have turnovers and play solid in all 3 phases to give ourselves a chance to win.
This was JSU's second open week of the season, the first coming back in week 3. The coaching staff decided to use this off week to give players a couple days of rest and gear up for the OVC grind that ends the year.
I think our team is maturing at the right time. I think we've a young team to start the year off with, and definitely more experienced than we were last year. But we're growing up and learning how to handle different situations. I think it's how you players handle it and the mindset they take into it. So I think that the off week hit us at a very good time.
Tennessee Tech over EKU was not the only upset in the OVC last weekend. In fact, each of the 4 games, the lower team in the standings picked up the win. Austin Peay over Murray State, UT Martin over Tennessee State, and Eastern Illinois beat SEMO. The Gamecocks will look to stay unbeaten in league play this Saturday. Game set for 3 p.m. at Burgess Snow Field.